Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change weather in Neverness to Everness. Changing weather is really easy. First of all, open your in-game phone, then go to time system. Under it, you can also choose the time you want to have. So I'm just gonna select this time. After that, press R1 on PlayStation or just select the weather you want to have from bottom. So I want to have rainy weather, I can just select that. But if you want to have snowy weather, then you have to firstly complete this side quest and then you'll be able to get the snowy weather effect. But I haven't completed this quest, that's why I can't change the weather to snowy effect. So let's say I want to change my weather to rainy, then I just need to select the rainy weather from bottom like this. Then select the confirm option from bottom right corner or press cross if you're on PlayStation, and then if I go back to my game, you can see the rain has started. So this is the way to change weather in Neverness to Everness. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.